Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality's Executive Mayor, Councillor Retief Odendaal, is continuing with his drought discussions with key stakeholders throughout the metro. Yesterday, the mayor met with representatives from the tourism and hospitality sector to further strengthen the partnership with the tourism industry in an effort to save water.
It's very important that our hotels, guest houses and the hospitality industry in general realizes that we have a massive water shortage in Nelson Mandela Bay and that they play their part in ensuring that they reduce their consumption and that their guests and visitors to Nelson Mandela Bay also realizes that we are a drought-stricken region. My message to everybody in Nelson Mandela Bay is to reduce their water consumption. We are amidst one of the most serious droughts on record, and we will get through this drought only if we all play our part and reduce our water consumption and use no more than 50 litres per person per day. Otherwise, the taps are going to run dry and Nelson Mandela Bay is going to run out of water.
Some of the representatives weighed in on the importance of this session.
The reality is, as citizens, we need to take stock and do something about it. And I think in the past we've been behaving as if things will never go to day zero. And the sooner we sort of respond to these calls, the better. There's quite a lot of initiatives that have been discussed and proposals that came from the floor and which we need to sort of execute and implement as soon as possible before we can experiment having to queue for our water.
I think it's very important, and I think there's some very positive things that are taking place with the mayor and his team. And yes, I think we have a part to play as residents and as business owners in the metro. We encourage our guests to take rainwater from our rainwater tanks. We supply 5-litre bottles and we've removed the lids off the cisterns. We ask them, I know it's inconvenient, but we ask them to top up the cisterns for flushing. And these are the sort of small things that we can do which can make a difference. So this is something that affects us all, and we've got to pull together because we don't want to hit day zero.